The fish are swimming in water.
The fish are swimming in water.
I'm washing my dirty hands.
I am washing my dirty hands.
She is writing on the notebook.
She is writing on the notebook.
The baby is holding a toy.
The baby is holding a toy.
They are dancing happily at school.
They are dancing happily at school.
My father is reading a book.
My father is reading a book.
We are waiting for our teacher.
We are waiting for our teacher.
He is walking on the road.
He is walking on the road.
The flowers are blooming in spring.
The flowers are blooming in spring.
I'm wearing clean, white socks.
I am wearing clean, white socks.
She is opening her lunchbox.
She is opening her lunchbox.
The cat is running behind the bird.
The cat is running behind the bird.
They are standing under the umbrella.
They are standing under the umbrella.
My uncle is fixing the light.
My uncle is fixing the light.
We are playing near the river.
We are playing near the river.
He is painting the wall white.
He is painting the wall white.
I'm looking at the stars.
I am looking at the stars.
The bag is lying on the floor.
The bag is lying on the floor.
She is eating an ice cream.
She is eating an ice cream.
We are sitting under the fan.
We are sitting under the fan.
The cow is standing in the field.
The cow is standing in the field.
I'm reading a new book.
I am reading a new book.
They are shouting in the playground.
They are shouting in the playground.
My teacher is checking the homework.
My teacher is checking the homework.
He is holding a glass of milk.
He is holding a glass